'Twas the day before New Year's, and all through the house is you, stressed out because you either have no New Year's resolutions or you feel discouraged by New Year's goals, because every year before you make tons of goals, aspire to be that girl who eats only green things, drinks 15 gallons of water a week, goes to the gym every morning, and has perfect skin, 88 friends, a boyfriend named Chad. But alas, each year, it never happens. Well, I can promise you, you don't want a boyfriend named Chad, and you already are that girl. But if you want to learn how to actually keep your New Year's resolutions this year, and just prepare for the New Year's together, keep on watching. I was gonna do a Pilates workout in my house today, but even so, I feel like the cute workout outfit helps me get into the mindset to make it happen. I also just feel like it's so important when you're moving your body to find things that feel good. Kidding me? Look how freaking cute this is. There's a lot of really amazing free Pilates workouts online. I really do like the Pilates class because they like set up a schedule for you each week. Not every day is even like Pilates. Like there's literally a day that says a 30-minute walk. Not every workout needs to be like 100 minutes long. The workout for Monday is literally an 11-minute workout. We can all move our body for 11 minutes a day, whether that's just dancing in your room or going out for a walk or doing a little workout together. I saw my friend Rainy Ray's post saying to make change with ease, and I truly feel like this is key. Starting to incorporate changes slowly and in a non-intimidating fun way is the way to do it. It doesn't have to be moving your body, but choose what is new that you want to start incorporating. Slowly ease into it. For example, do it for 10 minutes a day instead of an hour. Choose the beginner version instead of advanced. If you're having fun and feel good doing it, you'll naturally get more comfortable with it and naturally do it more. You don't have to be a master of this by the first week of the new year, so you can ease into them throughout the year. Okay, one thing that really helps me feel like I can get the most out of my days is getting ready in the morning. If it's just putting on a cute outfit and some simple makeup. Speaking of putting on a cute outfit, let me talk to you quickly about the sponsor of today's video, which is Ana Luisa. I have some really adorable new pieces from Ana Luisa. You guys know I absolutely love Ana Luisa. Love this sparkly necklace. In the winter, I like to bring as much light and sparkliness into my outfits as I can because the winter can be so gray. Wearing sparkly jewelry in the winter makes me feel like I'm channeling snow, and I just love that. I love these earrings. This necklace is so sparkly and pretty, and this ring is so perfect for everyday wear. I love Ana Luisa because they are a sustainable brand. I love that Ana Luisa is kind to the planet and people. Sustainably made jewelry. Their diamonds are lab grown, carbon neutral, as well as water neutral. Ana Luisa also assessed their water footprint and helped to restore 2.5 million gallons of water since January 2021, which is so cool. They also have climate neutral seal of approval. They are climate neutral certified. I also just love how transparent Ana Luisa's website is. They really go into detail about their entire supply chain and all of their partners, ethics, and the traceability is just fantastic. They've really thought about the planet and people from every step, all the way down to the packaging, including reusable pieces like the cotton pouches, recyclable paper. I got my mom a present for Christmas from Ana Luisa, as well as my boyfriend, and their styles are very different. So I just think that's really cool. So I really do feel like there's something for everybody. If you're looking for a last minute present for somebody, maybe you're going back to college, you're gonna see somebody after the break and you're gonna bring them a present. I feel like Ana Luisa is a great place to look. Their pieces start at just $39 and they have fast worldwide shipping. You can get 20% off with my code GG20. So definitely if you're looking for another last minute present for somebody, they're the place to go. Or if you just want to treat yourself. Your pieces are just really wearable as well, and I literally am wearing Ana Luisa pieces every single day. Check out Ana Luisa in the link in the description below and use my code GG20 for 20% off. Of course, it is so important to clean your space for the new year, so even if you haven't done it yet, here is your sign to do it sometime this week. Put on your favorite podcast, music, TV show in the background, and I promise you're going to feel so much better once it's done. A clean space helps really clear your mind, helps you be more motivated to get out of bed because you'll actually enjoy spending time in your space. Cleaning and tidying can be daunting, and one habit that I started this year that made it so much easier is that every single night I would spend just 5 to 10 minutes getting everything tidy before bed. This means that the next day I was waking up to a clean space, which felt amazing, and that 5 to 10 minutes was a lot less daunting than if I had let things pile up. Small and attainable habits like this can literally feel life-changing. Another one of my favorite things to do during the new year is to clean out your space. Not only just cleanliness-wise, but also clutter-wise. I live with my boyfriend, and so between the two of us in our small apartment, we really don't have that much storage for clothes, which can be an issue as we both really like fashion. Obviously, fashion is kind of like what I do on the internet. And this next year, I really want to be better at outfit repeating, cultivating a closet that really has a lot of basics that can be worn with a lot of things. Over the past month or so, every single week, I've been just picking a couple pieces from my drawer that at the end of the week, I realized that I haven't worn in a while, and putting them in giant piles, and we have a lot to give away. I contemplated doing a giant story sale. To be able to thrift well, you need to give some sacrifices to the thrift gods. So, and also a lot of this is warm, and I'd really like it to go to people in my area who, could use warm clothes. But let this be your sign to clean out your space. Also, it doesn't just go for clothing. Got a bunch of books that I don't need, lots of knickknacks. Clean out things in your space that aren't sparking joy, as Marie Kondo would say. I really believe one of the best feelings in life is going to bed with fresh, clean sheets. It is truly one of the many small joys of life. My mom got me some new sheets for Christmas. This morning while we were cleaning, I had these in the wash. So they are fresh and clean. This is your sign and reminder to wash your sheets for the new year. You deserve to be sleeping on some fresh sheets. Excited to go to sleep tonight. Somehow in the past couple days, my boyfriend and I managed to watch 3 seasons of The Great British Baking Show. Anyway, I'm about to do something very exciting, very scary. I've been telling myself that I'm gonna do this since my New Year's resolutions last year. Right now, I'm just making it happen because what is with the waiting? About to register for a ballet class series. I can't believe I just did that. I feel very anxious right now, but I've literally been wanting to get back into ballet for the past several years. It's time. If you have an option to sign up for something, I feel like that's a really good way to actually get yourself to go do it. Cause I just spent money on this. I don't wanna waste it, It's done and did, I'm signed up. Even if it's free, it's you're signed up. It's kind of embarrassing not to go. Or at least I'm telling myself it is so that I actually go. If there is something, a new hobby or an old hobby that you let go, that you want to pick back up or you want to start, do it. This has literally been on my New Year's resolutions list for the past probably 3 years, and this is the first time I've actually signed up for a class. It's my invitation to join me in making that first step. To be honest, me pressing that button was just the first step. Now I have to actually get to class, but I feel like once you rip off that band-aid, it's a lot easier. Being able to stick to resolutions is all about the small baby steps. Okay. The time has come. In order for resolutions to actually feel successful within the next year, I've found that it's really important to be very gentle with your resolution. Just like the baby steps with taking steps to actually complete resolutions, your resolutions also need to be accessible and attainable. For example, construction workers literally right outside my window, but I have to film this video, so we're gonna carry on. As you can see, I'm cozy as a bee. I don't know if bees are very cozy. Oh my gosh. I tried to make a London fog. I think it turned out really good. I'm cozy, I'm in a space that feels really safe, besides the construction worker. I've made myself my favorite drink to make this experience as cozy and nice as possible. It's literally 4 in the afternoon, so it's about to get dark. I don't know why the construction guys would choose to come now. I also feel like it is a triumph if just one of your resolutions sticks. We put so much pressure on ourselves with resolutions, and I almost considered even telling you not to make any resolutions this year, but I do feel like there is worth in showing yourself like, okay, these are the things that I'd really like to do this year. Maybe think about the baby steps you can take to start making those things come to life. I'm gonna say make 10 resolutions at most. And the way you frame resolutions is really important. For example, one resolution that really stuck with me this year was, instead of saying I want to work out more, I said I want to move my body more in ways that feel good. Saying I want to go to the gym every day, very specific, can feel really intimidating, but reframing that and telling yourself, okay, I want to move my body in a way every day that feels good. Now that opens up a lot of options. You could go for a jog, rock climbing. You could go for a nature walk. Of course, go to the gym, but you don't have to go to the gym every day. Do a dance class. You could even do a 10-minute Pilates on YouTube. Or heck, you could just dance around in your room, and there you are moving your body in a way that feels good.
Swap out unrealistic goals for something attainable.
I want to read 3 books. Don't laugh at me, okay? I can hear you laughing at me. Honestly, if I can read 3 books, I'm gonna be so proud of myself. I'm gonna say continue going to the gym. I feel like this is a good resolution because it's a habit that I've already started this past year. I've been going to the gym 3 days a week for the past month and a half. Huge for me. So all I need to do is continue doing what I'm already doing.
Instead of something negative and intimidating, like stop watching so much TV, replace it with something positive, like start putting on audiobooks more often.
There are certain things in our lives that we absolutely love, and sewing is one of those things for me. If I could sew every day, all day, I would. However, life happens, and I often feel like I don't have enough time to sew. So really the challenge here is allowing myself the space to schedule in time to do this thing that I already love. Like you have trouble getting yourself to the gym, I don't have trouble getting myself to start sewing. It's more so like I don't make the time to sew. I feel like it's so important to have fun resolutions, like things that feed your soul. I don't want to overwhelm myself. Fun part of this is making a vision board. Whoa guys, since when did 3,000 of you follow me on Pinterest? Wow, thanks. I didn't even know that happened. If you want to follow me on Pinterest, my Pinterest is GGMW9. Let's go ahead and make a thing.
There are so many ways to make a dream vision board. You could get super crafty with it, print stuff out, and actually make a board, but I just made a little simple Pinterest board and just have fun with this. I really just added things that like make me feel inspired. I put some specific goals on here too, like baking, because I feel like it'd be fun to get into baking if I have some time. There's no right way to do this, just have fun with it. I truly feel like in order to actually be able to do the things that you want for yourself in this new year, you have to give yourself space to relax. You have to give yourself space to do things that you love and build those into your goals. Doing something that you absolutely love maybe helps you de-stress, isn't necessarily a side hustle. So important. That could be something active. It could also be something crafty. I feel like having these positive goals that are actually fun and will feed your soul will in turn, I feel like, just recharge you and allow you to be more productive in more like productive style goals. Anyway, with that said, we're gonna sew a dress for New Year's. I have this vintage dress here, get the tulle, and it has this neckline, and I just want to make it a little bit more like my style. I don't know if you can tell, but it's sparkly. I've been wanting to do something with it for a while, and I just thought, what better time? Because it's sparkly. Okay, this has a zipper in the back that I don't want to mess with, so I'm gonna start by just chopping the sleeves. First cut, no going back now. I think what I'm gonna do is just take these, bend this down, and just sew a neckline straight across. Okay, I'm not going to show this whole dress now, but you can find it on my Instagram or TikTok. Overall, I just want you guys to find something that's fun and feeds your soul. Make a little bit of time for it. Just relax into this new year. Be kind to yourself. A year is honestly a silly marker of time, and it's okay if you don't accomplish everything under the sun you want to this year, so just take that pressure off yourself right now. Even if you just take a few things from this video, I hope that they help to guide you into leaning into this year with ease and taking small steps to do things that you love, and I hope you have an amazing year. I love you all so much. Thank you for joining me, and Happy New Year's.